Alright, so Browserify. It's a pretty cool library. It allows you to use the require method in the browser. So I'm just going to jump right into it so you guys can understand the gist of how it works. Okay, so here's the use case. I got my regular HTML, I have my script.js, and all I'm simply trying to do is I want to display the current date today in this date container, date dash container, and I'm using the moment library to do that. So I'm requiring it. Now the problem with that though is that when I try to see my code in live and I look at it, it gives me this awful error that says required is not defined. And the reason it's showing that is because require method is not built inside the browser. So to solve that issue, that's kind of where Browserify comes in. So inside here, I'm just going to say npm install Browserify, and make sure you spell that correctly. I always have difficulty spelling it. Browserify. There you go. And you want to install it globally. I already installed it, but feel free to do that in your own time. And then once you install it now, what you're going to need to do is you need to specify the file that contains that require that you want to use, and you want to output it or bundle all up into one file that you can specify. Sounds weird, but let me just show you really quick of what I mean. I probably overcomplicated that, but you want to first do after you install it globally is you want to say browserify, and then I'm going to specify script.js, and I'm going to output it into a file that I can name whatever I want. I can call it a pig.js. You know what? Let's go for that. And I could just simply click enter. Okay, and now you're going to see that I have a pig.js inside my directory. And this contains all the code, and this is going to allow me to use the require. So check this out. I'm going to go into my index.html, and instead of using the script.js, I'm just going to simply put pig.js, and I'm just going to save that. And voila, look at that. January 4th, 21st. And you can see that it works, and I can now use the require. So yeah, definitely have a tryout for today. It's pretty fun, and I'll see you guys next time.